Okay, so we're going to have a look at Dropbox now. So Dropbox is another version of Microsoft OneDrive or Google Drive that allows you to store your documents in the cloud. It has all the same kind of functionality, really. But if you were going to use Dropbox, it is a sign-up account. So you can get a free account with Dropbox, but it does, if you want to use it with a large amount of data, it does cost you money to do that. And I think you can either do it monthly or yearly, but we'll have a quick look at that now. So I'm just going to go into a web browser. I'm going to select my account. I'm just going to select Dropbox. As you can see, I've looked at it a little bit earlier. And as you can see, it's a paid for service. So it does give you up to 3 terabytes of space, but you'd have to pay for that space. So let's just have a quick look at the plans and pricing so you can just see what they are there. So, you've got different elements here. So for $7.99 a month, mainly for personal use, you've got 2 terabytes of storage. It's just one user. And you can deliver large files up to 2 terabytes. Just to get rid of that for a second. And then you can also go up to kind of Business Plus, which is like for 3 users or 3+ users, you get 15 terabytes for the team. So that's not individually, that's out of those 3, so 5 terabytes each. Up to 250 gigabytes of delivery, 1 year of restore and deleted files. I tend to use just a free plan. So you can actually just get a free plan on this as well. So the basic free plan, you get 2 gigabytes of data. And for me and for the clients that I work with, that seems to be quite adequate, to be honest. But again, it depends on what kind of functionalities and features you're looking for within your kind of online plans, really. So I'm just going to log into Dropbox and show you what it's like. So you can see at the top here, I've got my account's already logged in. So I'm just going to click into my account. So when I log into my Dropbox area, you can see that on the left-hand side, I've got all of my kind of main functionalities, which is what we've been used to seeing for Google Drive and Microsoft OneDrive. And then up here, you can actually kind of look at the different kind of file elements as well. So here I've got all files. So what I've got is access to a delegates apprenticeship elements there, and I've been working with an organization called the Training Experts. You can add photos, don't really have many photos in there. These are probably just uploads of photos, from many moons ago, from just kind of training materials and things that I've held in there. You've got shared access to shared documents. So again, people can share documents with you via OneDrive, and you can see I've got quite a few different documents here from my apprenticeship delegates there. So dating right back to kind of 2016 up to sort of 2023 last year. You can also have a signature area, so you can actually create signatures. So if you wanted to add a signature to your document, you can actually create your own signature, or you can have other people's signatures within your team, and you can actually then input them onto your documents. There's also file requests, which means that you can actually request people to send you a file that you're particularly looking to work on. And then also you've got access to your deleted files as well. So deleted files kind of happen quite sporadically. You can search between dates. Again, if I remember rightly, I think there is a 30-day limit on there for deleted files. So if it goes into your deleted file, then it'll actually get deleted on the free basic plan. Obviously, with the other plans, you get a period of time, and you can adjust that period of time based on the plan. So there's a quick run through of Dropbox for you in relation to files. The files can be are stored in exactly the same way. So you have file access. So if I just click on Darius's project here, you've got access to kind of Word documents, Excel documents, you've got images, you've got PowerPoint presentations there. So you can access all of those types of different things. You can create folders, you can upload documents into that particular area. And you can see over here, I've got it shared between 2 people, myself and Darius, who actually owns the folder. So there's you've got all of the same functionalities as you would have in Google Drive and Microsoft OneDrive. So again, with this, you can access your Dropbox on your computer. You can download a version of it. So what you can do is you can actually download it via your account. So it just says install Dropbox app onto your computer. You click on the install option, and then it will take you down to the kind of download area there. I have already got it installed on my PC. That's why it's saying it looks like you've already got it installed. So it means I can actually go straight to my Dropbox app. So if I just close my browser down, and again, if I go to my yellow folder at the bottom, which is where I access things on my computer, you can see already down at the bottom here, I've got my Dropbox added, and I've got the two kind of different folders that you could see online. So I've got Darius's project there, and I've got the training experts information. So if I just click on Dropbox there, it'll take me to those folders. And again, I can utilize this now as if it's any other folder on my PC. So again, you've got the functionality that's there all through Dropbox, and you can save it onto your PC. So as you can see, when I've gone back into my Dropbox area online, there you get a little bit more functionality. So I can record certain things. So it's like giving permission to record, you can start recording, and then you can insert the recording into certain things. That's quite good. So the recording can be either a video recording, as long as you've got a camera on your PC, or a voice recording. You've got the option to do that there. And then you've also got the option to edit PDFs as well. So if you've got the ability to, or if you've got a PDF that's saved within there and you want to make a change to that PDF, you can actually go in and make a change via Dropbox as well. And that's all part of the free plan. So I quite like it for those reasons. There's particular things or specific things that I need to do for my clients that I might not be able to do in Microsoft Word or in OneDrive. And because Dropbox is a completely separate entity, it allows you to kind of work on these slightly different things that maybe some of the other applications wouldn't allow you on.